Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the story shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. At the recent Kingston Wharves annual general meeting, Chairman Jeffrey Hall congratulated the government on its bold decision to expand the Wharves logistics space along Marcus Garvey Drive. Hall told shareholders that Kingston Wharves is ready to partner with the government in the development of the 100-acre Tinson Pen Aerodrome, which is along the Marcus Garvey Drive, into a logistic hub. Hall argued that this project would align with its current investment in a US $15 million multi-level car park for which ground will be broken soon. The company is currently seeking to increase its involvement in the auto logistics industry as well as expand its operations regionally. The National Commercial Bank Financial Group will be aligned with the 2022 Disabilities Act as it commissioned the first set of automated banking machines with audio guidance. The ABMs with audio guidance are primarily for the visually impaired and blind community who can now plug their wired earphones into the machines and perform transactions by themselves based on voice prompts. There are now 40 NCB ABMs with auto guidance island-wide, with one located inside each NCB branch and the Jamaica Society for the Blind. For the trading period ending June 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Local hardware firm Lumber Depot Limited with 1,600,500 units traded, representing 12.16% of market sales volume. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,376,495 units traded, representing 10.46% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,301,849 units traded, representing 9.89% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 10, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $102.46 million purchased and US $81.47 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.25 per dollar, selling the US at $160.45 and buying the US at $159.20. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 71 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.74 and buying at $116.43. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.11 in profit, with selling at $215.21 and buying at $211.10. For our credit report tip of the day, you are not preparing for retirement. You're designing your legacy. The next 15 years are your opportunity to build a lifestyle that protects your health, grows your wealth, and creates income that outlives your work. Your credit score isn't just about loans or interest rates. It's a strategic tool to access wellness coverage, fund income-producing opportunities, and take command of your financial future. It's not about slowing down. It's about stepping into ownership of your retirement plan with purpose and precision. When you're building something from nothing, as a professional woman, rebuilding your finances after the age of 45, especially while managing health issues, isn't about starting over. It's about starting smarter. You have experience, resilience, and perspective on your side. Now it's time to put those to work. Whether you're dealing with reduced income, rising medical costs, or just trying to regain momentum, the key is to take focused, consistent action. Here's your roadmap for consideration. Rent out a room or workspace. You can list extra space on Airbnb, Neighbor.com, or Peerspace, depending on your local regulations. Or every month apply for grants. You can start with Hello Alice, grants.gov, or local Chamber of Commerce listings. Also apply for minority-owned business certifications. You can register with the Small Business Office and seek pathways to get certified through the government's procurement portal. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success.